Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the circle. The circle is one of the most mysterious and useful shapes in our world. It appears in so many places, and many things in our world would not function without the circle. Students need to have full awareness of this beautiful shape. We must help them to realize how important and necessary it is in our world. Explain to them that there is a point in the middle of the circle. There it is there. Every point on the edge of the circle is the same distance away from this point. So every point along this black curve here is the same distance away from that point. They must not confuse the circle with the oval. So make sure you point out the difference between the circle and the oval. The edge of the circle has a smooth and well-rounded curve. By smooth, we mean that there are no jagged edges and no straight lines. Ask the student to trace the word circle, as well as the circle itself. For the following shapes, students can be asked to colour the circles green. They can colour all other shapes red. So there are just a few examples how to distinguish between circles and other shapes. Ask the students to draw pictures with circles in them. They're just 3 examples I've given. So we have to provide students with examples similar to these so they know what is expected of them. A few simple exercises. Students can be asked to name some items that contain circles in the classroom, their home, the playground, the shopping centre, and so on. Explain to students how circles are useful by showing them pictures, videos, and by also asking them to name objects from the real world that contain circles. So if we look at the car wheels, we know how important they are. The wall clock, the dartboard, just some examples in real life. We also have the picture. It might not be a 100% perfect circle, but it's a very good example. We all know about the coins in our world, different types of coins from different countries. There are many signs in the shape of a circle. We are very familiar with CDs and DVDs, and we all know about the plate. So this video has introduced students to the idea of a circle, and we've explained how important it is in everyday life.